this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix unable to search on TikTok. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, toggle on for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, click on three bars, go to settings and privacy page. Now here, find the option free up space. Now click on clear for the clear cache. Sometimes corrupted temporary files can cause search issues. Another helpful step is to log out of your TikTok account. After you log out, wait for a few minutes and log in back. After you log in, check if the search feature is working again. Next up, scroll up and navigate to the option Content Preferences. Under this, you're going to find the option of Restricted Mode. Click on that. Make sure you have disabled for this option. In case it is enabled, disable it. Lastly, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app TikTok. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.